Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with Knight Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we're going to review Vonixx Sintra here on the channel. This is an interior cleaner. It kills 99.9% of all bacteria. It's highly dilutable. It's cost effective. If you're going to clean leather or trim or plastic, you cut it 5 to 1. If you're going to clean carpets with it or upholstery, you cut it 10 to 1. And if it's just for maintenance work on the interior, it's 50 to 1. It's very cost effective. You can get a 500 milliliter or 16.9 ounce spray bottle here that is ready to use for $10.99, or you can get a 5-liter jug of this for $33.99. This company's out of Brazil, and since the exchange rate is in our favor, it makes it very, very budget friendly in terms of the cost. For $34, you're going to get 6 gallons of this stuff. So you're not going to have like $5.50 in a gallon of this stuff, which is great. I'm using it here on these leather seats with a Auto Fiber Scrub Ninja. This is the wedge block. And an Adams Polishes gray utility towel to mop up with. It doesn't smell horrible. It's got a fresh, clean scent to it. I do, however, find it a little bit too much. Not that it's too strong, I just feel it's a little overbearing, which isn't an overly big deal. It's not an awful scent. I don't hate it, but it's a little powerful on the nose buds, in my opinion. Using it here on the steering wheel. See how well it removes makeup and stuff. We all know how hard makeup is to remove from steering wheels and turn signal levers or windshield wiper levers. Bring you in for a little bit of a first-person view here. So you can see it made great work of the makeup and nonsense on the steering wheel. Very impressive. It's just a short review video today, guys. I know it's the last day of the weekend, or if you consider Sunday the beginning of the week, I kind of consider it the end of the weekend. I'll keep my babbling to a minimum. But as like I said earlier, this stuff is great. It removed all the makeup on the steering wheel and the turn signal and windshield wiper levers. And I'll bring everybody in for a first-person view here of how the seat turned out now that it's fully dry. And some of you might be saying, well, that's great for black leather, but what about white leather or taupe leather or beige colored leather? Well, here you go, guys. This came in a couple days later, and I thought, why not? Don't have all the video footage we need for this. We knew it was going to be a shorter type video, so we're going to do a 50-50 shot here on this white leather seat, or off-white or cream, or whatever the hell you want to call it. It's white to me. Same thing applies here. It's Sintra cut 5 to 1 and an Auto Fiber Scrub Ninja. This stuff is very user-friendly, doesn't streak, doesn't leave any high spots or anything crazy like that. It does not leave any protection behind, so if you wanted to leave some protection behind, you'd have to do that in a separate step. But as you can see here, this 50-50 shot Shows that it brought this whiter cream leather back to life. And since you can use it on carpet and upholstery, we got another vehicle in that it would be perfect to show this. It's a Honda CRX, and this is cloth around the door handle or some sort of faux suede. It's really not Alcantara, but it's some sort of faux-y type fabric, if that's even a word. We kept it cut 5 to 1 because it was really, really awful there. Sprayed some directly to it. We used a stiffer type detailing brush. Once again, Adams Polish's gray utility towel to mop up any excess chemical and to help speed up drying. And it looks freaking great. Absolutely very, very impressive when it came to this. If I had to give this a rating on the channel, I would give it a 9.75 out of 10, simply because its scent is a little overbearing. I will leave a code for 10% off where you can buy this in the description below. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. I appreciate all of our subscribers and followers. Please give the video a thumbs up. We will see everybody in the next video.